Good morning. আমি এতিয়া properties of composition of functions অলপ চাই লওঁ. First, ধৰা f is a function from the set a to b and g is a function from the set b to c and both are 1 1. F is also 1 1 and b is also 1 1. Then g not f from a to the set c will also be 1 1. So আমি proof কৰি চাওঁ. g not f 1 1 proof কৰিবলৈ আমি দুটা এলিমেন্ট লম কোট লম ডোমেইন আমাৰ g not f কি আছে a such that কি হ'ব লাগিব g not f of x1 equal to g not f of x2 এটা ডেফিনেশনৰ মতে g of f of x1 equal to g of f of x2 আমি আগতে ধৰি লৈছো that g from b to c is what 1 1 function এটা 1 1 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে g first image কি আছে তোমাৰ g image আছে তোমাৰ f of x1 আৰু second f of x2 1 1 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ কি হ'ব element গিটা f of x1 will be same as f of x2 because g এ কোনটো এলিমেন্টক ম্যাপ কৰিছে f of x1 ক ম্যাপ কৰিছে আৰু f of x2 ম্যাপ কৰিছে so g1 1 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে f of x1 equal to f of x2 now next f is also 1 1 f1 1 f is also 1 1 so amar ki hobo distinct element have distinct images so amar x1 equal to x2 so ami start kenege korisilu g not f x1 equal to g not f x2 loisilu aru ami conclusion paluge x1 equal to x2 that means what we can conclude g not f is 1 1 so what we can say if we are given f and g are 1 1 functions then their composition is what g not f is also 1 1 এটা conversely ami ki lom that means ulta to ami dhori lom g not f a to c 1 1 hoy g not f 1 1 hoy then amar f aru g 1 1 hobo nai hetu check korim so may or may not be বুলি কোৱা হৈছে so আমি with contrapositive example দি check কৰো ধৰা f is a function from the set a to b define কেনেকে কৰিছে f of x equal to x diagrammatically so f is a function from this 1 2 3 4 f of x equal to x that means 1 or image কি হ'ব 1 2 image 2 3 3 4 4 ঠিক আছে g is a function from this domain of g will be same as codomain of what f so this is your domain for g define kenai korise g of x equal to x that means for which values x or 1 2 3 4 karone he kol to x equal to 1 hole g of 1 1 hobo 2 2 3 3 4 4 but g of 5 aru g of 6 ki ase amar dia ase 5 that means g of 5 amar dia ase 5 aru g of 6 tomar kenake define kora ase 6 define kora hoise itia ami ki find out korim g not f find out korim g not f domain ki hobo g not f for a set 2 this is your domain or codomain this set so ami domain or one element to saw g not f of 1 image ki hobo 1 1 e hobo 2 2 pa 2 le goise 2 3 pa 3 le goise 3 aru 4 g not f4 g of f of 4 f of 4 4 ako 4 pa kole goise 4 so ami ki dekha goise g not f of x equal to x for all x belongs to ki 1 2 3 4 x to me 1 holo 1 hoy x equal to 2 holo 2 e hoy g not f 3 holo 3 g not f 4 holo 4 that means what we can say g of f is 1 1 for all x belongs to the domain 1 2 3 4 but g11 হয় নে g11 নহয় কিয় g ই কাৰণে তোমাৰ 5 আৰু image 5 আছে আৰু 6 the element 6 also has what image 5 that means what we can say g not f is not 1 1 sorry g is not 1 1 the function g is not 1 1 because 5 and 6 has the same image g that means g is not 1 1 yeah f is 1 1 f11 হৈছে f11 হৈছে প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্টৰ ইমেজ আছে আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্ট has distinct image but in G every element has a image but not distinct so G not f is 1 1 but G is not 1 1 though f is 1 1 so what we can say conclusion if G not f is 1 1 then f or G may or may not be 1 1 but if f and G is 1 1 f and G jodi 1 1 dia thake then our must G not f will be 1 1 but conversely it is not true. Second note dhora f and G are both onto functions. Onto function that means casely every element in the codomain must have a pre-image in the domain. Every element in the codomain must have a pre-image in the domain. Then composition function G not f from A to C must be also onto. That means f aru G jodi onto hoy then composition function G not f amar onto hoboi. Dhora proof korilo let Z belongs to C. আমাক কি প্ৰুফ কৰিব লাগে G not f onto আৰু G not f for তোমাৰ G not f domain কি হয় তোমাৰ A আৰু codomain কি হয় C তো আমি arbitrary element এটা লম ক'ত লম onto proof কৰিবলৈ codomainত লৈছো arbitrary element Z that means in a C Z belongs to C any arbitrary element now G is onto G from B to C is onto আমি ধৰি লৈছো onto hoy so amar usrot enekwa eta element thakibo such that G of y equal to Z so amar jehetu G onto hoy so for any arbitrary element say Z in a C there will exist a element y in the domain B such that G of y ki hoba Z that means for any arbitrary element Z in the set C there will exist an element y such that Z equal to G of y clear next ako amar f from the set A to B is also what onto so B jikunu element ro karone B element ami ki bolesu a y to ke loisu any arbitrary element y enokwa x thakibo kot thakibo tumar domain ot thakibo domain ki ase a such that f of x equal to y that means y ase amar domain codomain b jehetu f onto hoy y preimage eta thakibo y preimage ki hoy tumar f onto hor karone y preimage eta thakibo x such that amar y ami ki boli loisu f of x now আমি কি চেক কৰিব লাগে G not f onto হবৰ কাৰণে আমি কেনেকুৱা এটা এলিমেন্ট লম ইন দা সেট C লম C ত আমি এলিমেন্ট আৰবিট্ৰাৰি এলিমেন্ট কি লৈছিলো Z এটা আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি লিংক কৰো এই Z is linked to the what element x that means for any arbitrary element Z in the set C Z has a pre-image what x in the set A under the composition map what G not f clear under the composition map G not f so what we can say G not f is what onto so akobar koisu if f and G are onto function then this composition function is also onto converse statement to silo etia conversely ami ki loisu if G not f is onto first and foremost I dhorilu G not f is onto then f and G may or may not be onto example te lois check kora f eta function loisu from the set 1 2 3 for domain to the set 1 2 3 for f for image ki ase 1 to 1 2 2 3 to 3 4 to 4 that means f is a what many one function many one next G eta function ba from the codomain which behaves as the domain of the first function 1 to 1 2 to 2 3 to 3 and 4 to 4 ঠিক আছে এটা g not f check kora from this set domain of the first function g not f will be also the domain for g not f and the third codomain of the second function will behave as the codomain of the function g not f 1 1 le goise 1 1 g not f 2 2 to 2 2 g not f3 f3 ঠিক আছে এতিয়া সোয়া for the codomain আমাৰ কি আছে g not f 1 2 3 codomain 1 2 3 now this codomain has inverse element has a pre-image in the set domain 1 or pre-image ase 1 2 pre-image ase 2 3 pre-image ase 3 ঠিক আছে so what we can say the composition function g not f is onto every element in 1 2 3 every element in 1 2 3 that means in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain 1 2 3 4 so g not f is onto but f is not onto why f is not onto because the domain for the function codomain for the function f has no pre-image as the element 4 has no pre-image in the what domain so f is not onto so what you can say although g not f is onto now this function g not f is onto as every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain but the function f is not onto that means if composition of function g not f is onto but f and g may or may not be onto that means if g not f is onto but f and g may or may not be onto but f aru g jodi amak onto dia thake then g not f must be onto